How to turn off message summary Apple Intelligence. If you have installed Apple Intelligence and you're seeing a summary of your notification on your lock screen or notification preview, and you would like to turn that feature off or on. To do so, you simply have to open up Settings. Once you open Settings, go to the option Notifications, and there you'll find Summary Notifications, and you'll find the option to either enable them or disable them. If you don't find it here for some weird reason, scroll all the way down and go to the option called Apps. Then of course, just look for the Messages app and then just tap on it. Here also you'll find Summary Notification or Summary Messages. You can simply turn that feature off, but you need to make sure that you have got Apple Intelligence. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.